Hey guys, so a little bit of backstory. I've been seeing a lot of TikTok ads and YouTube ads on Tretinoin. Well, their ad got me at 2 o'clock in the morning, which most shopping does when I can't sleep. Just to give you a little frame of reference, I'm 41 years old, 4 kids, aging not so gracefully. So they did a promotion where you just paid at shipping and you got samples to try. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and we're gonna open this box and see what it's about, because you're gonna take a quiz. So I will tell you this, you take a quiz and then you have a dermatologist who creates the prescription for you, okay? So let's see what she did. You'll get to see my messy house. Okay, so this box just came in. I went ahead and opened like the flap to make it easier. So this is a company called Agency. And again, you're gonna do a quiz that's gonna tell you all about your skin. I have rosacea. So protect the perfect with silk screen. What is this? Woo! I probably should have put this on a stand. Okay, so this is a sample of the tinted sunscreen, which I love a tinted sunscreen because I'm getting to that point where I really don't want to wear makeup. Okay, Agency for your eyes only, smooth fine lines, wrinkles. Okay, ooh. This is that stick. I want to try this stick. Okay, and then this is like kind of a welcome note. This is your first 30 days. And it kind of tells you what to do, what all you're getting. Okay, let's open this baby up. They spent some money on packaging. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera back around. Woo! Let's see. All right. Ooh, okay. Oh, that open. So you typically, the shipment that you originally get will be like 2 months supply, and it's going to be large. This was specified as small. So this is the formula, okay? This has the one that has the tretinoin in it. Now, they did a specific recipe, which you can see on the back, that is made specifically for my skin, which of course is aging, rosacea. Hello, I'm a redhead, so I have very super sensitive skin. This is the Weightless Wit Moisturizer, which I'm really excited to try. And these are all the sample sizes. This is the oil cleanser, which I'm really excited to try because I've been hearing a lot of people talk about like a double cleanse. So we're gonna try it. And then we have the eye cream. This also has a specific formula as well. Can you see it? It has a specific formula as well. This has tretinoin as well. So this is kind of what I got. You see my skin, and I'm going to do a follow-up later so you can see what it is all about. Again, you'll see these ads run on Facebook, not Facebook, but like TikTok and YouTube. Again, if you're up at 2 a.m. and you're feeling bad about your wrinkled skin, fill out the quiz, try the sample. I mean, it only cost me like maybe $6 because I had to pay for the shipping. It is a subscription and they will charge you, so be aware of that. All right, I will let you know what it does. So I may do a video on my first try, like my first skincare, which my daughter is gonna wanna do, but she can't use this because she's 12 and it's made for old people. So I'm excited to see. We'll do a video, we'll try it, and I'll let you do it along with me. So, cause you know I'm going to do an honest review because I don't get paid for this stuff. Talk to you later. And remember, the most beautiful thing you will ever wear is a smile.